Do aliens exist? The science says yes. Are we alone? This is the most profound question humanity has ever asked. Not what or when, but who else is out there? For decades, we assumed we were special, unique, the only voice in an infinite, silent cosmos. But what if I told you the math says we are almost certainly not alone, and the evidence has been hiding in plain sight? Let's start with pure mathematics. Our universe contains at least 100 billion galaxies. Each galaxy contains, on average, 100 billion stars. That's 10 sextillion suns. Write that number out, 10 followed by 21 zeros. Now, observations from the Kepler telescope confirm that at least 20% of these stars have an Earth-sized planet in the habitable zone. Not too hot, not too cold. That gives us 2 sextillion potential Earths. To believe we are alone, you must believe that in 2 sextillion chances, life emerged exactly once, on this one rock, in this one moment. Statistically speaking, that's the least scientific position you could take. But if the universe is teeming with life, where is everybody? This is the Fermi paradox, named after physicist Enrico Fermi. If even a tiny fraction of those 2 sextillion planets developed intelligent life, the galaxy should be buzzing with signals, artifacts, even visitors. Yet we sit here, silent, alone, listening to static. This silence is the single greatest mystery in science. There are many theories. Perhaps intelligence inevitably destroys itself. Perhaps we are in a cosmic quarantine. Or perhaps the darkest possibility. The universe is a silent forest, and everyone is hiding. But there is evidence we cannot explain. August 15th, 1977. Ohio State University's Big Ear telescope detected a 72-second signal from the direction of Sagittarius. It was exactly what we expected an alien transmission to look like: narrow band. At a frequency hydrogen naturally emits, a universal watermark. Astronomer Jerry Amen circled the data and wrote one word: wow. We have looked back at that spot 100 times. Silence. But we never forget that something, somewhere, said hello. October 2017. An object from another star system passed through ours. It was named Oumuamua. Scout in Hawaiian. It tumbled. It accelerated without a visible tail, and it was shaped like nothing we have ever seen: a comet, an asteroid. Or, as Harvard's top astronomer suggested, a light sail. A piece of alien technology silently cruising past us. Then it vanished. We will never know. And today we detect fast radio bursts, immense pulses of energy from billions of light years away. Most happen once, but some repeat, same spot, over and over. A dying star does not explode repeatedly. A black hole does not send a schedule. What does? But here is where we fail. We imagine aliens as us. Just green. Just slightly different. But real alien life will not recognize our biology. It may not be carbon-based, it may not be individual, it may not even be biological. On Europa, an ocean world under ice, life could swim in total darkness for billions of years, never knowing a surface exists. On rogue planets with no star, life could feed on geothermal vents, evolving into something we would never recognize. And intelligence might not be a brain. It might be a network, a hive, a planet-sized consciousness. We are looking for neighbors in our own neighborhood when our neighbors might be unimaginable. So, do aliens exist? We have no definitive proof. Not yet. No body, no artifact, no undeniable signal. But consider this. Every single time we have built a more powerful telescope, we have discovered that we are smaller and less central than we thought. Earth is not the center of the solar system. The sun is not the center of the galaxy. The Milky Way is not the center of the universe. The pattern is clear, and the final humility is that we are almost certainly not the center of life either. The universe is 13.8 billion years old. Humanity has existed for 300,000 years. We have been listening for alien signals for less than a century. That is 0.0007% of our existence. We just arrived. We just started listening. The signal could come tomorrow, or a billion years from now. But one thing is certain. In this vast, ancient, spectacular cosmos, it feels impossibly lonely to believe we are the only voice. The evidence does not say yes yet. But it screams probably, almost certainly. Keep listening.